Vegetables. Asparagus. Bitter gourd. Broccoli. Cabbage. Capsicum. Carrot. Cauliflower. Celery. Chili. Cucumber. Eggplant. Garlic. Ginger. Green peas. Ladyfinger. Mushroom. Onion. Potato. Pumpkin. Radish. Spinach. Tomato. If you like our videos, please hit like and subscribe. Your support will help us create more videos for you.